In today's video, I will show you how to create this typography effect in Photoshop. Let's get started. Click the adjustment icon and choose solid color. Set the color to black. Choose the type tool and follow the settings. I'm using the Montserrat font. Make sure to set font color to white, but you can choose any color for your project. Click the work area and write your text. Open the character panel and set spacing to -25. With the Move tool selected, press Ctrl or Command A to select all. Press both Center Align icon to align text vertically and horizontally. Right-click the text layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl or Command J to duplicate it. Drag it down below the original text layer. With the text copy layer selected, click and drag the text down like so. Double-click this side of the layer to open the blending options. Control the fill opacity slider to 0. Select stroke. Set stroke size to 5 and change its color to white. Click OK. Drag the text copy to the new layer icon to make a copy. This is another way to duplicate a layer in Photoshop. This time drag this text to the top like so. Press and hold Ctrl or Command to select both text layers. Hold the Shift key and click the folder icon to group them. Create a layer mask for the group layer. Choose the Brush tool. Right-click and choose Soft Round Brush. Make sure opacity and flow are set to 100. Brush to clean some areas like this. To clean in straight line or direction, press and hold the left mouse button, then hold the Shift button with your brush at the first end, and drag it to the other end. Duplicate the grouped folder. Expand the second grouped folder. Select this layer and move the text up a little bit. Select the second layer and move it down. Contrast the grouped folder. Choose the grouped folder. Choose the Brush tool. Select the layer mask, and let's clean these areas of the texts. Select both grouped folders and group the again in another folder. Right-click the eye or visible icon and give it a color. Double-click the text and rename the folder to Gradient. Click Layer Style and choose Gradient Overlay. Follow this process. If you're not using the latest version of Photoshop, you can create this manually. Press OK when you're done. Click the adjustment icon and choose Hue Saturation. You can control the hue to change the color anytime you want. And you can even change the text at any moment. Let me show you. Double-click the text thumbnail and edit it from here. Save the new changes and go back to the main tab to see the magic of Photoshop. That's it. Please don't forget to give a try and state your outcome in the comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Watch other videos on this channel.